Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use the task scheduler in Zoho Project, your full guide for 2025. First up, let's log into your Zoho Project account. The reason we do this is obvious. We can't schedule tasks if we're not in the system. So visit the Zoho Project website, enter your credentials, and land on the dashboard. Now that we're in, navigate to the project where you want to schedule tasks. This helps us because tasks are always associated with specific projects. Click on the desired project and then, from the left side panel, select Tasks and Milestones. Next up, we're adding a new task. Click on the plus Add button and fill in the necessary details like task name, task owner, and due date. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone on the team knows what the task is, who's responsible for it, and when it needs to be done by. This creates accountability and helps keep the project on track. After adding the task, it's time to schedule it. Here's where the real magic happens. Click on Scheduler at the top of your screen. This takes you to a calendar view of all tasks. Now, simply drag and drop the task you just created to the desired date on the calendar. This helps us because it allows us to visually plan out our project timeline and see how tasks overlap or align. Once you've scheduled the task, don't forget to hit Save. Let me explain why this matters. If you don't save, all your hard work goes to waste as the task won't actually be scheduled. Always double-check that your changes have been saved before navigating away. Now remember, the task scheduler isn't just for setting tasks. You can use it to reschedule tasks, mark tasks as complete, or even assign tasks to different team members. This makes it a powerful tool for managing your project timeline efficiently. And there you have it. A quick, easy guide on how to use the task scheduler in Zoho Project. By following these steps, you can easily plan, schedule, and manage tasks, ensuring your project stays on track and your team knows exactly what they need to do and when. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.